welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Doctors allege discrepancies in NEET PG score, Supreme Court issues notice. While considering a plea alleging serious instances of discrepancies in the NEET PG 2021 scores, the Supreme Court has issued a notice in the matter. The petition filed by a few doctors has further pointed out before the court that the number of questions reflected at the end of the paper on the computer screen is not the same to the marks reflected in the scorecard. The top court bench, comprising of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and A.S. Bopanna, has tagged the matter with a similar petition. Amid Omicron scare, AIIMS chief warns India to be prepared for any eventuality. Amid rising cases of COVID-19 variant Omicron, All India Institute of Medical Science Director Dr. Randeep Guleria on Sunday said that India should prepare itself for any eventuality. The statement from the top doctor also came with the situation in the United Kingdom in view. Meanwhile, Omicron cases in India has crossed the tally of 150. Nurses Association moves Supreme Court on fresh national accreditation policy for hospitals. The Indian Professional Nurses Association has filed a petition in the Supreme Court seeking the formulation of a fresh national accreditation policy for ensuring adherence of best patient to doctor in all the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers Hospitals. The petition has been filed through Advocate on Record Dheeraj Philip Ibrahim. The petition further seeks directions from the Quality Council of India and National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers to place on record the documents which it scrutinizes before granting accreditation to hospitals. The petitioner submitted that the Quality Council of India had stated that they don't have any norms that specify ratio of nurse to patient and that no study or survey has been conducted to monitor the quality of nursing care, patient safety and patient satisfaction. Yogi Adityanath invokes ESMA ban strikes in Uttar Pradesh for 6 months. The Yogi Adityanath government has banned strikes across the states for 6 months. A notification was issued by Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Devesh Kumar Chaturvedi on Sunday. Those who defy the orders will face legal action, the notification has warned. Do not prescribe dextromethorphan for kids less than 4 years of age. In a major setback to Omega Pharmaceuticals, the Director General of Health Services, the Union Health Ministry has asked its counterpart in Delhi government to issue a notice to all dispensaries and mohalla clinics to stop the prescription of the cough super scent dextromethorphan to children who are less than 4 years of age. The DGHS has also suggested withdrawing the drug manufactured by Omega Pharma in public interest. RML Hospital Delhi releases vacancies in various specialties for 186 senior resident. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital Delhi has released vacancies for the senior resident post on a regular basis in the various specialties in this institute. The selection will be based on written examination and interview. There are a total number of 186 vacancies. The vacancies are in these departments. The last date of application is 28 December 2021. For more details about qualification, age and pay allowance, you can check medicaldialogues.in. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.